Using advanced optical scanners and infrared sensors, these pellets are analyzed for density and purity.
This is the heart of the factory. A mesmerizing, synchronized rhythm of metal and hydraulics repeats thousands of times daily. At incredible speed, the specialized arms extract the newly formed components, still glowing hot from the injection molding process. Inside the temperature-controlled tunnels, the molded components undergo a critical cooling transformation, constantly analyzed by overhead sensors. The process utilizes ultra-pure water cascading over the glass tubes as they are simultaneously cut and polished by the automated machinery. The robotic arm descends, inserting the rubber stopper into the glass cartridge with incredible speed and precision. The automated assembly line moves at hypnotic speed, rapidly inserting the cartridge and aligning the plunger rod.
Utilizing advanced laser technology, the system measures the insulin pen with sub-micron accuracy.
The internal assemblies move through these sealed transfer chambers, entering the higher-grade clean zones, where sterility is strictly maintained.
As the color-coded housings snap precisely into position, the laser etching system rapidly applies the branding rings, ensuring high detail and durability.
The liquid transformation begins as controlled injections release the precise dosage into the sterile chambers.
Every surface is inspected by high-speed cameras. AI overlays highlight micro defects, ensuring only perfect pens proceed to the next stage.
Utilizing precise heat and pressure, the foil seals the pens securely into their blister packs. A laser that
Automated systems ensure that every box, millions strong, is ready for immediate global distribution the moment it leaves the line. As the molds close, liquid polymer is injected under immense pressure. After a brief cooling period, the ejector pins release the finished components. Utilizing compressed air, the machine rapidly inserts the stopper with millimeter precision, completing another cycle in the production line.
This is the mechanical ballet of the modern factory floor. Robotic arms install the dose mechanisms with hypnotic speed and absolute precision.
Unlike mere printing, this laser etching provides a permanent mark, a testament to true craftsmanship built to last.
Finished pen bodies, color-coded for quality assurance, rotate smoothly on the industrial turntable, showcasing the precision of the assembly line.
DAXA. The user dials up the required dosage, which is then delivered smoothly and rapidly. The mechanism resets.
This slow-motion footage reveals the consistency of the micro-volume droplet release, critical for quality control. This heat seal press applies localized thermal compression, creating a perfect, sterile seal on the foil blister pack in milliseconds.
The laser precisely etches batch numbers and expiration dates, ensuring permanent traceability on every unit leaving the factory floor.
Crafted from a solid block of surgical-grade stainless steel, the pen's flawless finish is a testament to precision engineering.
The culmination of years of design, engineered for reliability when it matters most.
The laser captures the unique batch number. This critical step ensures precision logistics, tracking the chemical shipment from the moment it arrives. Environmental control is paramount. These humidity boxes ensure the rubber seals are preserved in optimal conditions, ready for deployment. Inside the factory, infrared sensors scan the polymer pellets, checking their density to guarantee quality standards. As the amber liquid fills the cavity, the cooling process begins instantly, transforming the polymer from liquid to solid in seconds. This robotic arm performs the extraction with incredible precision, moving the delicate, still warm component to the cooling station in seconds. This is the critical phase, watching the heat drain away. The rapid shift from red to blue ensures using a high-speed diamond wheel, the machine scores the glass tubes with micron-level accuracy before a clean break formation. The specialized gripper aligns the rubber stopper with micron-level precision before swiftly inserting it into the glass cartridge.
Under immense pressure, the stopper compresses, its material deforming slightly to create a precise, hermetic.
The automated workflow ensures continuous progression as raw materials are rapidly transformed into finished units along the assembly line.
Here we see the critical phase of the dose mechanism installation. The gears mesh perfectly, accelerating rapidly to operational speed. The mechanical force compresses the spring, calibrating its tension with sub-micron precision, essential for high-performance applications.
The automated micro-adjustment mechanism engages, performing precise tolerance corrections at a sub-millimeter scale.
At each station, the pens undergo rigorous quality approval. A green checkmark confirms they meet the standards. Maintaining the contamination-free protocol is critical here. These assemblies are now entering the airlock system for transfer.
The high-powered laser creates a permanent mark, ensuring the branding will last the lifetime of the product.
With each precise rotation, the mechanism clicks into the next detent position, ensuring an accurate dose every time.
Reliability is key. The mechanism engages smoothly, demonstrating the precision of the dose delivery system as it reaches the maximum setting.
A macro view of the pen actuator shows the plunger releasing a precise microvolume. This mechanical precision is critical for accurate dosing. This remarkable consistency highlights the dosing uniformity across all units, ensuring repeatability in the manufacturing process. This automated system captures thousands of images per second, detecting microscopic flaws invisible to the human eye. Here we see the crucial moment of bifurcation. The approved pen continues, while the rejected unit is efficiently diverted away from the main line. Here at the factory, every insulin pen is securely sealed with absolute precision before moving to the next stage. Utilizing dramatic heat and pressure, the machinery bonds the foil, creating a tamper-evident seal essential for product safety.
High-speed laser etching provides permanent traceability marking, applying the batch number and expiration date with absolute precision.
The sealed blister packs undergo a final human quality verification touch before being cleared for distribution.
The pen undergoes a meticulous tactile inspection, ensuring the seal integrity and surface details meet our high-quality standards.
Using high-detail macro inspection, the team ensures the pen's finish is absolutely flawless, with zero defects visible.
Every insulin pen undergoes a rigorous final audit, ensuring the highest standards of quality control before leaving the factory floor.
Shot on the RE Alexa, the macro lens reveals the meticulous engineering of the new insulin delivery system.
A testament to manufacturing excellence, the light sweeps across the surface, revealing the flawless finish of the polished wood and chrome in stunning detail.
Combining elegant design with mechanical precision, this device represents the future of medical care.
Is the dose dial mechanism. Every increment is precisely measured, guaranteeing functional clarity and reliability on the factory floor.
Ergonomic design is paramount. This textured grip pattern ensures a tactile interface quality unmatched in the industry. From a single pen to a massive grid ready for distribution, this facility highlights the incredible scale of insulin production. The consistency of each batch is critical. This automated process allows for the production volume required for worldwide pharmaceutical distribution. The robotic arms work tirelessly, sorting packages with pinpoint accuracy before they begin their journey through the global supply chain. Every box represents a journey halfway across the world, managed by a complex logistical network. Each pen begins its journey here, but quickly joins thousands of others in a complex ballet of global distribution. The culmination of design and precision. From humble beginnings to the finished product, the journey is now complete. The steady pulse of the green status light confirms continuous automated monitoring, ensuring silent precision across the factory floor.
These amber pellets are analyzed for uniformity, guaranteeing the quality of the raw material before production begins.
Inside this factory, automated guided vehicles rely on these floor tracks and positioning sensors to move inventory efficiently. Inside the factory, sophisticated environmental management systems filter the air, maintaining strict quality control standards.
Preventing contamination starts here, with the precise management of every protective suit.
Utilizing 360-degree decontamination technology, the air shower initiates a powerful blast from its nozzle array, stripping away microscopic contaminants. As air is drawn through the filtration media, millions of microscopic particles are captured, ensuring only clean air passes through. Monitoring the digital displays, operators track the cycle parameters. Maintaining the correct temperature and pressure is crucial for the molding process.
With extreme precision, the ejector pins engage, pushing the newly molded part from the cavity.
Visible temperature zones and precise airflow indicators ensure a controlled cooling environment, critical for dimensional stability optimization in the factory process.
The components enter the multi-zone cooling tunnel, where precise thermal control gradually reduces their temperature.
Precision is key. This specialized cutting wheel ensures a microscopic fracture, preparing the glass for a perfect separation.
When the fracture propagates, the glass separates along the score line, creating flawless edges essential for the next stage of production. Here at the polishing station, automated brush heads apply a precision compound, guaranteeing uniform surface finishing and enhancing optical clarity.
The rinse nozzles spray ultra-pure water, ensuring complete surface coverage and a residue-free finish on the glass cartridges.
Utilizing high-velocity air knives, the drying tunnel blasts the wet glass, ensuring every surface emerges perfectly dry and spot-free. In the factory, the precision blending of the rubber compound is critical, ensuring the material achieves the exact viscosity and homogeneity needed.
As the press closes, the intense pressure forces the semi-translucent rubber to flow, filling the cavity uniformly.
Utilizing advanced defect detection technology, this camera array performs 100% optical inspection,